guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing July's Boxycharm and trying out all of the products that they sent me. So if you're interested to see what I got and you're interested about reviews on each item, then stay tuned. And we're back. And if you hear a baby yelling at the top of his lungs in the background, it is my son who basically wants me to come and hold him, but he needs to have his playtime. So, and if you hear nursery rhymes in the background, it is YouTube's Coco Melon blasting to keep him occupied. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this month's box. Here is the box, and I'm so excited because you guys know that Boxycharm is hands down my favorite monthly subscription box, and it is here, and I'm just so excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. This month's theme is all natural. We've got 5 items. First being this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Retails for $35, and I am gonna try it out today. I only have on eye makeup, so I'm just gonna go around my eye makeup and try this mask. I'm a little oily right now, so I'm gonna see if this mask can combat the oiliness and get me looking fresh and ready for my makeup look today. It says, defined by nature and led by science, feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oil, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion, and that is exactly what I need right now. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box before we apply anything. Next we have the Luxy J, I think that's pronounced right, a 3-piece brush set. It includes the Luxy 250 large eye blending, a Luxy 246 precision crease, and the Luxy 510 foundation brush. This is going to be the large eye blending brush, and I actually do like that this is pretty wide and large, so I'll get a lot of use out of that brush. And then this one is going to be the precision crease brush. I'll probably use that as a brow highlighting brush. And then you have the foundation brush, but I really don't use this type of brush for foundation. I do have a brush like this, and I only use it for foundation when I am right above my eyebrow, so I can get really close into the line of my eyebrow, and I only use it in the top, and that is literally the only time that you'll see me use that. And these are actually probably my third set of Luxy brushes that I've received in a Boxycharm box, among a few other Luxy brushes that I actually have from other subscription boxes. These are a little different. They have the same rose gold ferrule that my favorite Luxy brush has, which is this one. So it has the same rose gold ferrule, seemingly has the same handle, but it's not. This one is more pink. This one's like a white to pink ombre effect. This one is like a pink wooden handle. That's different from any other Luxy brush that I have as well, because Luxy in the first Boxycharm box I ever received included gold glittery brushes, and then there was also the Luxy brushes that we received in the April Boxycharm box for the Coachella type theme box. It seems like Luxy changes up their brush with every release. I'm not sure. Every Luxy brush set that I have is different from the next, and I actually kind of like that. So love the gold ferrule. That's probably my favorite thing other than the actual brush hairs. Let's go ahead and try on some product. So I'm actually going to use this brush to apply my face mask today. Normally I would use a plastic applicator. It kind of looks like a brush, but this part is plastic instead of hair bristles. But I'm actually going to use this so that we can try out the products in this box with the Elemis Mask. It's like a light mint green color. Ooh, and it smells good too. I actually really like how this feels. It goes on very smooth. It feels very cooling, and the brush is so soft. Like, it literally just glided it on there. Feels like a facial massage or something. It's just so soft. So I actually really like the brush as well. And the brush set is $30. That's like $10 per brush. It's an eco-friendly brush set. Really good value with this box. As you can see, between the Veggie mask and the brush set, we're already at $65 and the box is only $21. I'm gonna let this go for 10 minutes. Starting to tingle, but it's not too much. It feels very good and it smells good. It smells very spa-like. Let's keep unboxing. So the next item I see in the box is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. These colors are so gorgeous and I love that this palette is so small and compact, yet it still has a mirror, and then you've got these 6 beautiful colors. It retails for $32. Highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. This one is Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. Absolutely beautiful. I did butcher the Temptress color when I was going in. I double swatched that. And the Femme Fatale, it looks kind of patchy as a swatch, but finger swatches are never really a really good indication of the palette itself. So I am gonna apply this shadow. I know I have on an eye look today. Let's see what else is included in the box. And look, we're right on time because I need to take my mask off. It's been 10 minutes and I see the Collagen Dough Cleansing Spa Water Cloths. I'm not going to use them as makeup remover wipes. You guys kind of already know how I feel about that if you've been watching my videos. But I am going to use it to remove this mask because the mask says to remove it with a damp dark cloth, which I don't have right now, but I am going to test these wipes out. These retail for $17. These are convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths that remove makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. This mask smells so good and refreshing. I almost don't want to take it off. Still kind of feels wet like when I put it on. I guess it doesn't dry down or anything like that. I'm gonna be careful to avoid my eye area, which you should do anyway because the eye area is so delicate. These cloths don't have an overwhelming smell, but they do feel very nice. More moisturizing than most makeup wipes that I've used. They included 10 in the pack. So it's definitely removing impurities along with the mask. I went in with a clean face. I guess this is just from moving out and about during the day because I did run some errands. I hadn't gone on my face with anything except my Kylie Skin when I was cleaning my face this morning. Eye serum, face serum, a facial moisturizer, just my typical morning skincare routine. I like the cloths. The cloths feel really good, but again, I would only use them for skincare or to just cleanse my face because these actually did cleanse my face pretty well. These are really good. I actually really do like them and would recommend them. Really good. The mask, really like it. I love the smell. It feels super good and it's called the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I mean, I don't know what could sound more appealing for your face. It just sounds so good and healthy. So I'm back and I decided while I was off camera that I really don't want to go in with a full face of makeup today. But I did go ahead and put in my Avon Magic Face Perfector Sunscreen Primer to protect my skin while I'm out and about. And I'm going to complete the eye look using this Butter London palette, and I do want to use this beautiful blue in my lower lash. I'm actually going to take the Luxy mini flat angled brush that we received in another Boxycharm, take a bit of that Femme Fatale and go right in on my lower lash. Now I'm going to take this color Diva here and I'm just going to use my ring finger, dot that in right where the shimmer meets the matte. Wow, it's definitely got some good color. Only needed a little. This has got some really good payoff. Okay, wow, I'm really impressed. Okay, so I actually wasn't expecting such good payoff from the shimmer. So I'm gonna take my Luxy 243 Precision Blending Brush. Take it into this Temptress color right here. And I'm just gonna go back into my outer V and blend in that shimmer. There, I think that blended it out much better because that color Diva almost overtook the eye look, but it's such a beautiful color. Now I'm gonna take the Luxy 246 Precision Crease Brush into the color Enchantress. Wow, I'm thoroughly impressed. For 6 colors, for $32, that's a little bit over $5 per color. The quality of the colors are so good, and I can already tell you that on my next eye look, I definitely will be using this beautiful pink and green. Didn't use the large eye blending brush because again, I already had basically my eye look. Didn't really see a transition shade in here that I could really use this with. This palette is not really your transition shade palette. If you're looking to use transition shades, you're gonna need to use a companion palette. That's the only downside to it in my opinion. Other than that, I really like it. The last thing that we have is the Luna by Luna lip gloss, and this is in the color Venus. It retails for $18 and it says prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. I'm actually going to line my lips with my Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K, and then I'm gonna go over the top of that with this lip gloss. It does feel very good. If you don't like your lip glosses too glossy, then this would be a good gloss for you. A lot of shimmer without the really glossy glossiness that I like in my lip gloss. Not the lip gloss that I would go for. Definitely is non-sticky, probably because it's a long-lasting color. Obviously, most lip glosses aren't gonna last long. If you're looking for a gloss that's non-sticky, non-glossy, that feels good on the lips and it's gonna give you a long-lasting shiny look with a glimmery color, this is the one for you. They actually included in the box a skin bar at Ulta Beauty and Elemis Flash facial card that's good for about a month. You get $10. Visit an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis Flash facial with Insta Glow with Superfood to banish dull skin and get a healthy outdoor fresh look, and or I guess Insta Firm with Pro Collagen, which fights the first signs of aging with clinically proven pro collagen products. So I'm not sure if the facial that you get includes both of these products or if you get one of the other, but it just says call your Ulta Beauty for an appointment at the skin bar. Pretty cool. And I guess you just have to take this in and they scan it and then you get $10 for your flash facials. I definitely want to try this. I love Ulta, but I've never been to their skin bar, and every time I call, they're trying to sell me something at one of their bars. They have different types of bars. I guess a skin bar and a hair bar or eyebrow bar. I guess they've got all kinds of bars there. So that's gonna be it for today. Give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and if you're new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, skincare, hair care, and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then smash the subscribe button below. I would love to have you join the Brittany fam, and I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah.